Oh no, oh no. It's so windy. Windy and sunny. Oh no, my plants. Good morning. Before I leave, I wanted to come back and finish what I started. Good morning. It's time to work in the garden because my plants are getting attacked. Yikes. Just tie my hair up and let's work in the garden.
So I've decided to place all my succulents in just 2 areas in the balcony so I won't have to keep moving them around. In the last video, the balcony was halfway done. Plants were moved, plans were made, and a lot of pauses in between. This time, I'm picking up where I left off, finishing the setup and getting everything ready to survive while I'm away. Hopefully with fewer interruptions like that cat over there and a little more progress. So let's get started because the wind is starting to pick up. It's getting really strong because of the amihan still, and it's ruining my plants. The shade net is getting blown away into the plants and it's ruining them. So let's move quickly. Let's get started while the sun is still up. It's not that hot right now. The weather is really great. So yeah, let's get started, hopefully with fewer interruptions. And I'll give you an update at the end of the day. Now that there's a little bit of space in this rack, I can now work on the pots here. And I think I need to prioritize some plants like this string of turtles. This is very sensitive to water. I think it was overwatered again. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to save that. So that's priority number 1. And then the plants over there as well. So let's start potting and repotting. And once I'm done potting up the plants, I'm gonna put them in here temporarily until everything is done. And then I'm gonna water them and place them in spots where they can settle. Good morning. Oh no! Ano ba yan? Excuse me, lahat tayo. Okay, so alright, good morning. So before I leave, I wanted to come back and finish